almost like a cabbage. Its nickname is actually Chinese cabbage. It's really, really delicious. Has a little bit more of a minerally taste, a little bit more bitter. Not quite as bitter as a kale would be, but it's one of my favorites to actually saute. I like to chop up a little bit of fresh garlic, do a little bit of olive oil, whatever vegetable oil you prefer, and then do a little bit of salt and pepper, and it is delicious. Another way that you can prepare it is through woks or stir fries. You can put it with a little bit of soy sauce and some of your favorite meats like chicken, shrimp, or anything that you would really want to put in with it. And then do a little bit of mushrooms and whatever other ingredients that you wanted to add. And it is one of the most delicious things you can put into a stir fry. So you're also noticing that we are near our strawberry fields. Strawberries are actually not currently in season anymore. They are more of like a winter into spring when they're at their best. But we do have our last little bits of our strawberry fields, but they actually will be cultivated and turned into compost. And if you look over to the left, we have some corn that is growing. We also sell the corn here, but we're also cultivating it for the fall. The fall is one of our favorite times here at Tanaka Farms because we get to do a beautiful fall festival where we get to...
Con kéo đi, con kéo mạnh lên. Con hái đậu que đi.